A group of diplomatic envoys and representatives from 31 countries and international organizations recently visited southwest China's Sichuan province. In Jianqi village, diplomats and representatives experienced China's rural revitalization through local food, scenery, and handicraft skills.
I think it's a fried type of bean paste. Very delicious. My colleagues here, other ambassadors, all enjoyed it very much. It's been very nice to see everything in this village. And we understand that everything that has been achieved here is part of the poverty alleviation and rural revitalization efforts. It's good to see how the people of this village have access to all the basic services that they would have if they were living in a city. And it's such a very beautiful and well-arranged village. We had an opportunity to see how the village works together in this preparing this red bean paste by improving the way they produce and by having access to the local, national, and even international markets. They are able to increase their income. It's something that's very important to learn for countries like mine. Nicaragua's main effort is to eradicate poverty. And we have been doing that effectively for over the last 16 years. And we will continue working on this in the years to come, hand in hand with China.
It's very nice, and also it gives a homely, quite comfortable feeling, quite calming feeling.
Apart from food, some tried on local handmade shoes.
They're very comfortable. I like to wear comfortable shoes. If they last until I go back to my country, I'll take it back.